Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Move your right ear.
Oh.
Did it go down to your lower back?
Yeah, all the way.
Yeah. You still kicking?
Oh, yeah.
Strap your head right here.
Oh, yeah. I'm good.
What are you saying?
I want him to bend over to test it out. He couldn't bend over.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
I think you
I'm
like
good.
it.
I think I'm back to normal now. It's something that really shocks the body, you know.
Yeah.
Gets that open.
In a good way, huh?
Yeah, really good way.
Is that what you expected to feel?
So, yeah, I was expecting the
to feel it
the
open
blast,
up, right?
basically. Yeah, just like it literally went all the way down.
And it just opened up that space.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Anything else you want to say? Is this something like you would recommend to other people?
Oh
that
yes,
have
I
back pain
recommend
like
it
yours?
to anybody that has any pain, any disc pain, lower back pain, any pain that you can endure. The ring dinger is the thing to do.
Have you been dealing with your back pain for a while? Just like sitting for a while. Yeah.
Probably 15 years.
Yeah.
So after surgery, you know, obviously now I'm back here. That was 2 years ago. So,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
it feels like I'm good to go now.
Yeah. Natural alternative, right? Okay. Perfect. Look down for it. Stay right there. Thanks for trying out the ring dinger.
All right, thank you.
All right.